How to fix new login location detected on Discord. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To start off, launch a Discord application. Now in this case, when it is notified that your new login location is detected, most likely your two-step authentication is enabled. If you want to disable it, just tap on your user icon and head to Settings. Select the option of Account, and at the bottom you will see Multi-Factor Authentication. Now if you have enabled the Authenticator app or security key, simply go ahead and disable it. Mind it, you will have to enter your security key or scan the QR in your authentication app to disable your two-step verification. Alternative way, tap on the Devices option. Select the Log Out All Known Devices option given to you. Verify it with your password. Now Discord will log out from all the known or logged in devices, and if there is any suspicious device login, it will be logged out as well, and so will be the login location detection notification. Sometimes it might be because of a glitch issue. To solve it, press and hold onto your Discord application and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This will help to fix any of the bug or the glitch issue. And that is all to how to fix your new login location detected on Discord. Thank you so much for tuning in.